Let's learn how you can delete call history on Messenger. So before we start, I have to tell you that there is no option which you can delete every and entire call history with all users you ever have a call. What you can do is you can just manually go from chat to chat and delete those leftover from call chats manually. So I can only show you how to do that. So if you open a messenger, go to a chat with person you want to delete that call history. Let's call that this way. So this missed out your call, for example, and when you chat, it will say start of the call and end of the call. So you'll just have to hold on the message, press and hold, and as you can see, it will appear this delete red button, and you can select if you want to delete for everyone or for you. You probably want to delete for everyone, so here we go, and it says that you just delete the message. So that's it. There is no other way and there is no other method because Messenger doesn't have this option. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.